Hi guys, welcome to my channel Rosie Talks. Today is weekend. We are going to the beach. So let's go. Let's put the bag. Okay. We have to put the seat belt here in Dubai. They are very strict here. Need to wear seat belt all the time in the car. Ayan, Sonia. What are we going to do today?
We're just going to Kite Beach. The weather looks good today, so we decided to go to the beach. And I hope that there's gonna be less people, but I doubt.
I already told her I do not want to go in the evening during weekend because a lot of people.
Yeah, I mean, in the
It's too
evening, there's a lot
crowded.
of there is a night beach where people can swim in the night, but it's a bit weird to swim in the night, I think.
Not weird. It's difficult to be there. A lot of people and mainly what?
Men.
Yeah, men. So we decided to go today afternoon.
I think in the afternoon it's nice because there are families and, you know.
No, it's good for. I think to go to the beach is good during afternoon. It's the best. You also get
Actually, the best time to go to the beach
in the morning.
is like early in the morning, but we don't usually wake up very early during the weekends. So we just it's normal for people in UAE especially to go to places late, right?
Yeah, because people here sleep late and wake up late.
Yeah, that's like the normal culture. Culturally, I feel like in the GCC, people sleep late and wake up
Late and eat late. Everything late. I notice I have very less engagement. Maybe because I'm lacking of speaking in English. Obviously, I came from Asia and I'm not a native English speaker. But I think I should be doing, or I should be speaking more of English in all my videos so that I can relate to all my audience. I really want to share my life with you guys as an expat here in Dubai since I have been living here for the past 35 years.
These are the kind of houses that you see in Dubai, and these are normal people's houses.
We are now in Jumeirah, inside Jumeirah. Look at the road. It's so clean. Today is Sunday. The road is empty. But you see, when we reach to the beach, the parking will be full. We're almost here. 10 minutes away from the beach. We are hungry.
Yeah, very hungry. We're gonna go have some sliders, some burgers by the beach at Salt.
Salt.
Have you ever had Salt
No,
before?
I had one time, I think. I remember. Yeah, in Abu Dhabi we had salt burger. And yeah, we'll only have like a snack. Is this a snack or lunch?
No, this is lunch.
No, this is our lunch. This is going to be our lunch before going to the beach because we're already hungry. It took us how many hours? Almost 1 hour from our house to this place. Okay guys, we have just entered Jumeirah Kite Beach. A lot of cars are parked. I hope we get one parking. Look at the place, it's so busy, but it's so hot.
See, Salt is there.
Okay. There we
And the Burj
have
Al
to
Arab.
eat. There is the Burj Al Arab. It's so far, can't see anything here. We're still far from the place. Salt. I will have burger, good burger from Salt. grill. Yummy. It's good.
Is it?
Very cool. How are we going to do this?
I'm not going.
Don't expect this. We're done from the Kite Beach.
Yeah.
Water was too cold.
Yeah, I did not swim.
So Sonia did not swim, but I enjoyed very much here.
I didn't swim because I don't like cold water.
But it's fine. At least 2-3 hours we stayed here and enjoyed. Had my burger. Sonia also ate her part of the burger. Now we're going home. Bye bye.